In an effort to reduce the high incidence of road fatalities and accidents caused by drunk driving, the government has revealed several proposed amendments to the Motor Vehicles and Road Traffic Act, Chapter 51:02, and the Intoxicating Liquor License Act, Chapter 82:21, which will see harsher penalties and fines for persons convicted. Once amended, drunk drivers can face increased jail time, permanent revocation of their driver's license, motor manslaughter, and causing grievous bodily harm charges. A draft of the legislation seeks to amend the Principal Act by inserting a new section, 35A. That section states that a person can be found guilty of motor manslaughter where the person causes the death of another while driving a motor vehicle under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Though the imposed Motor Vehicle and Road Traffic Amendment Bill 2022 stresses heavily on sanctions for first, second, and third-time offenders of motor manslaughter, coordinator of the Guyana Road Safety Council, Ramona Doorgen, is of the view that the amended act should also include compensation for children of the victims of drunk driving. Doorgen told Nightly News on Thursday that Guyana should adopt the best practices of other countries. She made reference to the Eaton, Haley, and Bentley law of Tennessee, which mandates drunk drivers to compensate children of their victims for life.
One of the things I didn't see them put in Tennessee, if you kill somebody you're found guilty by drunk driving, that person have kids, that person have to pay, the children have to be mined as child support for the rest of their life.
Doorgen is also calling for compensation to be given to the widow of the victims. Doorgen also referenced Lucille Bacchus, a mother that lost her son and daughter to drunk driving, adding that the unfair settlement paid in tranches to her by the drunk driver is a typical example of how persons suffer at the hands of drunk drivers.
When you're not in the situation, you don't understand, and you don't understand the seriousness. Look at Miss Lucille Bacchus, lost her two only children by a drunk driver, early morning. To this day, 36 years after, she still hasn't gotten her settlement from the driver. When she do get a settlement, $5,000, $4,000. Is that right?
With this inclusion for financial compensation for widow and children road fatality victims, Doorgen believes that the proposal made by the Attorney General would be a great initiative to curb the high road carnage incidents in Guyana. 99 persons lost their lives to road accidents in 2021. That figure stood at a whopping 139 in 2020. As at the end of March 2022, Traffic Chief Ramesh Ashram had reported that 26 persons had been killed in road accidents. This is Tarik Braithwaite reporting for HGP Nightly News.